Alright, so we're about to check out some more Zaya for Take Me Back. I'm going to check out The Ghost of Wind. So yeah, told me a little bit more about them in the comments, and I obviously want to check out more, but sometimes songs get me to a point where I'm like, okay, I want to check out more soon. This is soon in comparison to a lot of groups, you know? Like, it doesn't really, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. Eventually, I'll get back to groups regardless. But they got me to a point where I want to check them out really soon, and this is soon in comparison to how long I've waited to check out some other groups. Y'all telling me about how some members are doing dramas and acting, the military stuff and everything. Feel free to leave more information in the comments. I'll read them. I don't always reply to every single one, but if I left a like, I read it. Right now, let's check out The Ghost of Wind. I keep wanting to say The Ghost in the Wind. That's not the title. It's The Ghost of Wind. I was about to say I Violeta. Oh my goodness, the song is stuck in my head. The Ghost of Wind. Ooh, an accordion. An accordion! Oh! Hold on. Oh my god. Are there lyrics? No. I love that kick. You always like feel it like right here. The MVs are so dramatic. I feel like this is another it feels upbeat, but sad song. Oh, an homage. I see the homage. That sway side to side is so smooth. Some green. Dude, I get so like caught up in like the dramatization of everything. Like both like Breathe and this song so far, the MVs have been like just dramatic. And it's not over the top dramatic. It's like to get the feel of the song, which is why I'm getting the sense that it is like a sad song. It feels like a hopeful sad song. It's one of those things like you watch them like live because of how they're swaying. And it's just mesmerizing. Sadly, it's just a part of it that gets cut out there. This song is so retro as well. You watch them and you can tell like not even listen, like you could cut out the MV and just listen to the song. You can tell how like it's old school. See, I was curious about this song again, just cause like with Breathe, the song felt very like upbeat, and it was a sad song. This one isn't really a sad song. How do I explain like the lyrics? Well, I say it's not sad, but it's kind of like a breakup song slash not wanting to let go kind of song. Like that's the sense I get from the lyrics. It's like not wanting to let go of a person. It talks about like, oh, don't go to him. Like I can't. It's like the wind I can't catch you, or the love is like the wind I can't catch you. Something along those lines. It was the lyric that I read. You make me feel It's hard to pinpoint what era this reminds me of, like from old school music, like that doo-doo-doo, that it reminds me of like 80s. But the song as a whole, I'm not sure exactly. I'm not insanely familiar with 80s music either, so it could be, and I'm just not that well versed in 80s music. I'm telling you, yo, it's dope checking out these different groups from different eras that y'all have been listening to. And my whole thing is I just like checking out these older groups just so I know where things today can stem from, influences and things like that. And also just checking out older music that it's kind of like making up for lost time, because I wish I had been like around and into K-pop when these groups were a thing. So again, it may be a while before I get to them again, but let me know what song of theirs I should check out next.
Come on,